Hey everyone, back for another video for you today. Today we're just talking about changing the battery on your Infiniti remote. If you don't know how to do it, it could be a little off-putting. You may look at it and think, how in the world do I change that? Actually, most remotes are actually pretty easy to do. Some could look a little more confusing than the others, but it actually is pretty easy to do. And just wanted to show you that very quickly. Most Infinitis use this style remote, so, you know, it's pretty easy to do. We'll start off by showing you here. You'll see there's a little notch right here. And that's just to take out the actual key itself. So you just lift that up, and you pull that right out. And your key's out. Put that aside for now. Now, you can actually technically do this with your fingernails, because what you really need to do is be able to just pull this right here and lift it out. But I'm not going to struggle here and hurt my fingernail, so I am going to get a small little flathead and I'm going to pry it. But again, if you want up to it and anything like that, by all means, it's actually pretty easy to do. And all you're doing is, if you look, see this little notch here? Behind this notch is a little lip, and it kind of clips on. So you're going to go here and we just got to separate that. You just work it around. And if you want to really, if you are going to use a flathead, you may also want to put a cloth or something small on it, just to protect it. You know, you don't want to damage it or anything like that. Damage the casing, keep it looking good. Oops. So then, once you open that up, you're just going to pull that off. You're going to set that aside. And there's your battery. And most times you can be able to just tap it right out. As you can see there, it is a 2032 battery, and that's what's going to go back in. So once you get that out, it's just a matter, I would recommend going in here and gently pulling this out if you want. This is just optional, but I like to go in here and clean this up. So I'm just going to go and grab like kind of a microfiber cloth here. I'm just going to go and kind of brush it off. Clean up as much as I can. This is just being a little extra. You don't have to, of course. But if you're in here, might as well clean up any type of buildup or anything that you have within, right? I wouldn't recommend using anything, water or anything like that. And I'd also, again, be careful when you're holding, and you be careful of any of the circuitry and the boarding in the back here, right? Just gently clean it off. And again, if you want to take the opportunity, hold this like this. Just get a little bit of clean off all the edges. In here might as well. And the same here, although this I find no matter what tends to always be pretty clean. But again, just go over it. Be careful with the clips here. So once done, we're going to go ahead and take our internal board here. And we're going to put that back in. Make sure it's placed nice. The battery. Now this is the old battery. I'll be putting a new one in, but goes in. The face goes facing forward. And you see the clip here, so you want to actually push it in like that. And then you're just going to turn it over and put it all together like so. And you're going to, you actually have to kind of put it in. I should show you that too. One second. When you're putting it in, you're going to kind of, just like how you lift it out from this end and you pulled out, the same thing. So you're going to go and kind of push this in like this, line it up, and it'll snap back together. When it's all done, where'd that key go? Here it is. Just grab the key. So you'll see the slot. Just put it back into the slot. It'll click right in. You'll see actually as you're doing it, this is moving until it locks in. You're back and ready to go. Alright, so that's it. Simple and easy. You see I did all there, and even with talking, it's less than 5 minutes. Doing it without talking, and you just doing it on your own, you should be able to get it done in a minute or so. Very easy to do. If you have any other questions or anything like that feel free as always to let me know. Also, as usual, don't forget to like, dislike. If you dislike, let me know why. Just, give me some feedback. And of course, as always, make sure to sub as well. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys next video.